the kids now decide where the family holidays.
I kind of tend to disagree a little with Gaurav.
Again, I'm saying you need to compare.
Whether Indian consumer is also searching.
There's a legacy issue in India.
Do you think there's a little bit of a fatigue around similar attractions worldwide?
We've tried to create and in Tipti's example, 25 saal pehle, maybe the father of the family used to decide, the man of the family used to decide where the family holidays. In the last few years, it was always the lady who decides. I think in today's world, whoever has kids will agree that the kids now decide where the family holidays. So we've tried to create some elements in each of our products to have a differentiation between each other, which is where we are trying to create that differentiation. But I am fully with you. It is leading to repetition product-wise.
I kind of tend to disagree a little with Gaurav. While in a family holiday, yes, from what used to be protocoled by saying men and then women and now children, now people are taking holidays not as one in one capacity. It's not like one single holiday. They're doing it as families, they're doing as tags, they're doing it as couples, they're doing it as solo women, multiple cohorts, right? So there's as much of travel and therefore there's many impressions.
See, there are two kind of products, Nikhil. One is the product which has been made for domestic consumption. The moment you try to push that to an international ones, customers, that's when this creates a problem. The problem happens when you have plenty of them in different places and you try to get and try to focus on international. By the way you get it, it's fine. But you can't have the center, saying that boss, 80% I'll have this international tourists coming and visiting.
But that's also where tour agents and travel agents have to play a very big role. See, it won't stop anybody from making what they have to. And see, usually what happens is that the Indian consumer is also searching. When you search, it will propel your top attractions of the world. That's where the maxim, they would want to have a bucket list of going to, we spoke about bucket list, right? Whoever is going to Japan would get to see the Disneyland. It's obvious. Whoever is going, you're trending, you're searching, you're showing as number one. I just feel there has to be small but better wins of how is it that you're getting new attractions.
There's a legacy issue in India. And I saw this when I was at Visit Britain. At the moment, my challenge is Dubai used to be it. You probably faced it with Abu Dhabi, that it was only Dubai. It now expanded to Dubai and Abu Dhabi. And I'm sure in a year or 2 years from now, it will expand into Ras Al Khaimah as well.
Consider expansion.
The reason is, I think, once you've got the inventory in, you've got the experience, you created the awareness. So you look at Georgia as an example. Indigo started direct flights. There were no itineraries in our market for Georgia. So when Georgia came in as direct access, you suddenly had them covering everything pretty much. But when it came to Europe, you had those multicultural itineraries with a day and a half in London. It didn't change for a decade and a half.
The venue partner for this edition of TravTalk Think Tank is Radisson Blu Plaza, Delhi Airport. Watch the complete conversation in the special section of TravTalkIndia.com.